Okay, I guess we can do this now. Let's start the stream. Yes. Yes, I will be going over Stato stuff. I'm going over Stato stuff right now. Let's go here. It's a flat earth whiteboard thing. Something that was brought to my attention during a stream, the Shows After Show. I've gone over a couple of things, but it was something I want to go over in detail. This, for instance. The Flat Earth Institute of Science curriculum. I want to go over this for a second. Okay, let's zoom in a little. Okay. This first of videos is called The Horizon on the X-axis. Okay, I'm gonna try to get through at least all these videos. And don't know if I'll be able to, but I'm gonna try. A little. Okay, the first. Okay, this is the first video in that. Hold on. Oh, wait. I'm gonna make it. Hold on, was. Yeah, I'm looking at the stream and this at the same time so I can properly orientate this. Okay, this looks good. Let's do this. Flat Earth Science Lesson 1. The greatest evidence for Flat Earth. Sounds exciting.
In the syllabus, we established the scientific model this entire course is founded upon. Now, we will share with you our very first observation, and then we will form a hypothesis. Let's ask this question. What is the greatest evidence for a flat Earth? What do we found ourselves on? The greatest evidence is the observation of a flat Earth. And that is why the Flat Earth Institute of Science exists. We're not talking mountains, of course.
The observation of a flat Earth. Okay. You are at your computer right now. Move about a foot back from your computer and put your hand in front of your face. Which is bigger, your hand or the monitor? Because according to observation, your hand is bigger. But if you have more data and you get closer, you can see that the monitor is bigger.
But when we look out at an unobstructed horizon, we can observe it is flat. We can find observation after observation of this. No matter how high you fly, straight horizons are what you see.
I think scale is the biggest problem here. I mean, straight horizons, but you are very tiny compared to the size of the Earth. And let's see if that's really flat. I don't know. I don't think I can do anything without messing this up. I think there's a slight curve though. But that might just be me.
Unless you are looking through a fisheye lens. Because we can observe flat horizons, we can hypothesize that the Earth is not a globe. Our next step is to look for further observations and put our hypothesis to the test. To be more clear, and for the sake of emphasis, what is our hypothesis? Our hypothesis is that the Earth appears flat because it is flat. That is it. Plain, simple, and straight. In Lesson 2, we are going to build upon our foundation of observation, bringing another observation into consideration. And then we are going to begin the testing process. Don't think you'll be free of tests because you are watching a YouTube course online. Before Lesson 2, though, I have an extension video I would like to share with you. Next on the playlist, Mythbusters did their own curvature test in an episode entitled Flights of Fantasy, wherein they flew a plane up to 70,000 feet to show you the supposed curvature of the Earth. People constantly ask, can't you see curvature from a plane? If that were so, ask yourself, why would Mythbusters have to fake curvature with a fisheye lens? Take note of that. I'll catch you in Lesson 2.
Okay. That's the first video. That's the first lesson. I see quite a bit wrong with it. I'm sure you do too. I know I need to get a better thing for my mic or whatever. Okay, let's get into the next video. Nope. Not this one. Not this one. It's moving to the one. This video. Oh, the Mythbusters. Mythbusters episode. Wow. Let's see what they say here. Oh wow, so it's this video. This video is also transformative and under fair use. Awesome.
Hey guys, Paul back with another video today for you. This is probably a video I think many of you have already seen, but I've recently came across this just about a week or so ago and found it quite interesting. So I thought I'd just share it today here on my channel and make sure that everybody that maybe hasn't seen it has had a chance to see this. So this is an episode of Mythbusters called, I believe, Flight of Fantasy. And Adam Savage here, who's one of the actors on the program, is in this U-2 plane and is being taken up to a height of 70,000 feet. So let's go ahead and watch some of the video footage here and see if you can spot some of these things.
Until they attain cruising altitude.
We're transitioning now from 160 knot climb to a 0.715 Mach cruise. 3/4 of the speed of sound.
The curve changes as the plane goes down.
This is officially the highest off the ground I have ever been. We're coming up on 60,000 feet, 12
Look
miles
at that curve, that fisheye lens.
above the surface of the Earth.
How is that
The sky has
fisheye
gotten to
lens?
be a very, very dark.
Is it proved that that's fisheye lens?
The camera that's facing Adam is staying pretty level with the horizon. Looks like it's pointing right at the horizon. So if it is a fisheye lens, as you guys maybe you do know, maybe you don't know. If you're pointing it right at your target, if it's level with the horizon, it's going to not have any distortion. So from this angle, we see the horizon pretty flat, but when we get the shots from the side of the plane, especially when the wing is kind of pointing down where it's kind of banking, and you can see it, they actually had the camera running while the plane was banking, and as it was banking more, you could see the curve become more and more defined because of the lens distortion. So let's keep watching.
Blue. What an unbelievably beautiful day.
Cove. I tell.
And from this height, 67,500 feet,
Flat.
the edge of our planet has a definitive...
I tell. That's another cove. That is an obvious cove, I tell. That's obvious. Why do you continue to explain this away? Doesn't make any sense. Fuck. Let's see how this guy does it.
curve to it. It is,
Did you catch that? So looking out this window, you see the wing of the plane pointing down below the horizon, so it's in kind of a bank here, and you can see the lens distortion at the top of the frame. But when they switch to the other camera inside the U2,
it is,
where's the curve? Well, the lens isn't distorting it there. So we're at, what, 67,000 feet at this?
Isn't this cherry picking? I mean, and you're not looking at a... This is a very narrow view of what you're looking at. This is stupid to me. This is dumb to me. Let's continue.
Point of the video and the camera that's pointing directly at the horizon are level with the horizon as far as its perspective, as far as its angle, and no lens distortion, so it's flat.
More three-dimensional than I have.
Let's see, here's...
It's a curve. Curve. Again, you see the Earth's curve. And he's gonna say distortion or some bullshit. Let's see.
Another shot, and you can definitely see that there's a curve here because of lens distortion, as we've already noticed. But it wasn't as much as the other one. So obviously the angle of the fisheye lens is not pointing down as much here.
I've ever seen it.
Okay, so here we are at 70,000 feet. This is as high as they're going to go. And you can see the lens distortion, obviously, the wing again pointing down towards the ground below the horizon. So we've got the lens distortion.
He's just saying lens distortion. He's not proving anything. How can you prove that this is lens distortion? Let's continue.
Portion at the top of the frame.
There we are. Ladies and gentlemen, 70,000 feet.
How tall or how high are you there, Adam?
70,000 feet.
70,000 feet. Okay, let's go back to your frame, and where's the curve behind you? Maybe it's just on the side. Maybe we live on
more cherry picking. You don't see enough of... You don't see enough of what's behind him to tell. It's a very narrow view. This is a stupid argument. Let's continue.
Like a tube, right? We just have the curve at certain angles. It's not a sphere then; it would be more of like a toilet paper roll tube, right? So we've got the curve if you're looking at it from a certain angle, from a certain perspective, but if you change 90 degrees, it's just going to be flat. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense.
Ladies and gentlemen, 70,000 feet.
This is my favorite shot here. Okay, so watch as the plane banks a little bit more, you'll see the curve become more and more defined, more well-defined. Obviously, a fisheye lens. If you don't admit this is a fisheye lens, then I got nothing else to say.
1,000 feet.
Here it comes.
That does not look like a fisheye lens. I'm sorry, but it doesn't.
At this
Let's
point,
watch that again.
1,000 feet. 1,000 feet.
This is called lens distortion, people. And then we cut back to Adam.
At this point, aside from the 6 astronauts on the space station, we are the 2 highest.
And there we are again.
Wait a minute. He's on the little. God. I wish I could click off of this and like zoom in with OBS without messing it up. Is he level or is he slightly toned? It looks like he's slightly toned. Oh wow, I can. Hold on. Well, let's see what I can do with this. See if I can manipulate this a little. Not normal, but I think he's banking. But let's see. A little bigger. No. Yeah, you don't see enough to be able to tell. And what am I doing? What am I off to? Okay. Okay, there we go. Never mind. You can't tell. You can't really tell in that shot. So let's resize it. I have 2 view people. This is what happens. Oh, well, now everything is fucking tweaked out now. Okay, there we go. Nice. Oh, wait. Cool. Okay. So it is. Let it make it fit. And voila. I've done this. Okay. Now let's continue the video.
Looks like he's banked here.
Humans off of planet Earth.
There it
More
goes
than
again.
double
More
the
calls.
height of a
Because of the
standard.
lens distortion, and we're back. Plane is level again. And where's the curve, Adam? Where's the curve?
You don't see enough of what is in the background to be able to see the curve. Let's continue.
Either you're wearing fisheye lenses for glasses, or you're lying, man.
Commercial airliner. Oh, and did I mention I'm wearing a pressurized spacesuit? Yeah. Strapped to a rocket. This is not a bad way to spend your day.
And look at that curve disappear as we go up, or it becomes less. Let's watch that again. Lens distortion is becoming less and less as the camera angles.
Is he saying that this right here is not curved? Is he saying this is not curved? Woody? Okay, dude. Let's continue.
Angle moves up towards the horizon, but now it's pointing down towards the middle of the screen or below that, so you've got the lens distortion at the top.
Jamie, I totally owe you one.
The complex, exhaustive preparations.
Complex. Look at this part. I love this part. I love that when the plane is moving.
The complex, exhaustive preparations and taxing takeoff.
I totally owe you one.
Why does he keep playing that?
The complex,
it's still curved.
No, not a fisheye lens.
It's still curved. Still curved. No matter what, that doesn't go away. That will not become flat. It is not flat.
Exhaustive
Not at all.
The complex, exhaustive preparations and taxing takeoff seem a world away.
Oh, look at that. Wow. That is San Francisco. That's my home.
But
whoa, look at this. This is San Francisco here. Okay? Look at the lens distortion here.
Oh god. What lens distortion? I don't see lens distortion. It's so you're looking at a sphere and the land contouring to the sphere. That's what I see.
Okay. The Earth would have to be super small. If this is San Francisco and that's the curve right there, that means the state of California is like half of the globe here. Come on, people, wake up.
This is exactly what the U-2 is designed to do. Spend hours up here looking down.
70,000 feet, and the curve's a lot less now. What's going on now? Oh, might be changing because of lens distortion?
Gathering intelligence.
The view from a commercial airliner is beautiful. This one is transcendent.
It's the maneuvers at either end of proceedings where the pilots are in the big bucks. The challenges in landing this plane are...
I don't see the same 70,000 foot curve from the lens distortion on the side of the plane.
Another narrow view of what's going on. That's extremely narrow. Extremely narrow. You don't see much. I mean, the horizon? I don't know what the hell I'm even looking at. Maybe he's gonna tell us what we're looking at. Maybe not.
Unique. And Adam is about to get a real close look.
Oh,
there it is, people.
There's Cove.
I assume this is again San Francisco, the Bay Area. Yeah, state of California. This reminds me of the Felix jump video where he's jumping.
The Felix jump? Felix Baumgartner, you mean? Yeah. That showed Cove too.
Over Planet New Mexico. Here we've got Adam flying in a U-2 plane over Planet California.
We'll be back with our landing after this commercial break.
All right, guys. So anyway, just thought it was fun. If you're not seeing through these lies and deceptions,
Fuck.
and, the constant reinforcement that we live on this ball, then there's probably not much that anyone could do to help you. I think anybody that would take an unbiased look at that video and compare shot by shot and understanding how a fisheye lens works and seeing kind of incriminating evidence from the
Do that when you look out of the other angle. Oh my god. Oh, fuck, dude. Let's see. Extreme cherry picking. Picking what views you want to say are flat, and the views you want to say are fisheye lens. Oh, fuck. Dude. I just don't see it. It's not compelling to me. I'm sorry, but the earth is not flat. And it's technically not a ball either. It's an oblique spheroid, if I'm not mistaken. Ugh. Okay, let's play the rest of this and see what else. We'll see if there's anything left.
The camera that's pointing to the back of the aircraft, we would see that the horizon is definitely does not have that curve to it that they're showing to you on the side. Should all be consistent. It should be. Anyway, thanks for watching. Appreciate it, guys. Until next time.
Alright, let's see if we tweet. I don't know. This guy might actually say the earth is flat. Let's see if he says it.
Busting that myth.
Oh, he said busted. Said the flat earth theory is busted. Myth. Because it's a myth. My head is about to explode already. I don't know. Let's see what the next video is. Flat Earth Science Lesson 1 Part 2. Curved Horizons. Panoramas. Do I have to do this? I don't want to. Oh, fuck. See where I am. I'm like 3 videos in. 3 videos in and I'm ready to fucking throw something. Yeah. Panoramas, man. Okay, I'm gonna do the rest in video form. Someone else joined. Hey, what's going on, dude? Wherever you are. I just watched the first 2 videos here, and they were kind of stupid. Hold on. I'll show you what the videos were. I'm gonna watch them again, but I will show you what they were. Best evidence for Earth, flat Earth, and then they went over. Then they went over an episode of Mythbusters. Cherry picking the shit out of shit. Now the third video was panoramas. Which I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the last 3 videos as independent videos. Yep. And then other videos that are afterwards videos. Just for the hell of it. So, I'm gonna end it here. Because I gotta go, oh. I gotta go not do this. I don't wanna do anything but this right now. So I'm gonna end it here, as always.